Whoa, pioneers! The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Imagine holding a digital asset for years, watching it grow in potential, and now, boom! The Pi network has just confirmed its open mainnet launch date, February 20th, 2025. The excitement is through the roof, and the big question is, how much will Pi be worth when it finally hits the open market? Will it be $3.14? Maybe $31.40? Or are we looking at a mind-blowing $314,159 per Pi? Stick around because today, we're breaking it all down. Before we dive in, let me ask you, what's your price prediction for Pi Network? Drop your answers in the comments below, and hey, if you've missed any of our latest updates on Pi, check out my previous videos. The link is in the description below. Also, let's get this comment section buzzing. Type Pi Network to the moon, along with your country name so we can see how global this movement really is. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with fellow pioneers, and subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you the latest updates on Pi Network. Your support means everything. Quick disclaimer, this video is for entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial advice in any way. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. Alright, let's get started. Imagine waking up one day to find out you're a crypto millionaire. Sounds crazy, right? Well, if you're holding Pi, you just might be sitting on a gold mine. The long wait is finally over. Pi Network has officially announced its open mainnet launch for February 20th, 2025. This isn't just another milestone, this is the moment pioneers have been dreaming about for years. Pi is stepping out of its closed ecosystem and into the real world, and the big question on everyone's mind is, how much will Pi be worth when it finally hits the open market? For years, the Pi community has been buzzing with speculation about its potential price. Some say it'll start at $3.14, a playful nod to the mathematical constant Pi. Others believe it could reach $31.40 or even $34, showing strong market confidence. But the real jaw-dropper? Some are daring to dream of $314,159 per Pi. Wild, right? But hey, in the crypto world, we've seen crazier things happen. Now, let's get real for a moment. What determines the price of any cryptocurrency? It's all about supply and demand, liquidity, market sentiment, and adoption. The moment Pi goes live, its value will be decided by the free market. Will it skyrocket? Will it settle at a modest but respectable price? No one knows for sure, but one thing is certain. The anticipation is at an all-time high. Think about it. Pi Network started as a simple idea to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyday people. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires massive computing power to mine, Pi was designed so anyone with a smartphone could participate. Millions of users around the world have been mining Pi effortlessly, building a decentralized network without the need for expensive hardware or technical know-how. But here's the kicker. Pi has been operating within a closed ecosystem all this time. That means users have been accumulating Pi, but with limited ways to use it. The transition to open mainnet changes everything. Suddenly, Pi can be traded, spent, and integrated into real-world applications. The walled garden is opening, and the possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. What happens after February 20th, 2025? Well, exchanges will likely start listing Pi, which means more liquidity and more trading activity. Businesses that have been waiting on the sidelines might finally jump in, accepting Pi as a form of payment. Investors who once dismissed it as just another crypto experiment might start taking it seriously. And for pioneers, this is the moment they've been waiting for. The chance to finally see what their Pi is worth in the open market. Of course, with great excitement comes great uncertainty. What if Pi's price doesn't meet expectations? What if Pi Network takes time to gain widespread adoption? These are valid concerns, but let's not forget that every major cryptocurrency went through growing pains. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others faced skepticism before they became giants in the industry. Many critics doubted their potential, calling them speculative bubbles or dismissing them as impractical. However, over time, these digital assets proved their value by demonstrating real-world use cases and achieving widespread adoption. The same possibility exists for Pi Network, provided it can address key challenges and continue to grow. One of the most crucial factors in Pi's success is its community. A strong, engaged user base can make or break a cryptocurrency. Bitcoin thrived because of its early adopters who believed in its potential, mined it consistently, and promoted it as a decentralized alternative to traditional finance. Likewise, Pi Network's millions of users could be its greatest strength, helping to drive adoption, validate transactions, and create demand for the coin. If the community remains active and continues to expand, it will reinforce Pi's credibility and utility in the market. Developers also play a pivotal role in ensuring Pi's success. For any cryptocurrency to remain relevant, it needs a strong foundation of continuous development and innovation. Ethereum, for instance, has evolved significantly since its launch, introducing smart contracts, Layer 2 solutions, and other upgrades to improve scalability. Pi Network's developers must remain committed to refining the technology, enhancing security, and ensuring the blockchain is efficient and scalable. Regular updates and technical improvements will be essential in keeping Pi competitive with other established cryptocurrencies. Another key factor is how well Pi Network integrates into the larger crypto ecosystem. A cryptocurrency's utility often determines its long-term success, and this requires partnerships, real-world use cases, and exchange listings. If Pi can be used for payments, e-commerce, remittances, and other financial activities, it will gain more credibility and adoption. Additionally, listing on major exchanges will boost liquidity, making it easier for users to trade and use Pi in different markets. The more seamlessly Pi connects with the broader crypto world, the stronger its position will be. Despite these opportunities, challenges remain. Regulatory scrutiny, market volatility, and competition from other digital assets could slow down Pi's adoption. Governments worldwide are still shaping their policies on cryptocurrencies, and stricter regulations could impact Pi's ability to operate in certain regions. Additionally, if the project fails to deliver on its promises or lacks transparency, trust in the ecosystem could decline. Addressing these risks with clear communication, security measures, and compliance strategies will be critical to Pi's sustained growth. Ultimately, Pi Network's future depends on a combination of community engagement, developer commitment, real-world integration, and adaptability to industry challenges. While widespread adoption may take time, history has shown that patience and persistence often pay off in the crypto space. If Pi can navigate these hurdles effectively, it could evolve into a major player in the blockchain industry, just as Bitcoin and Ethereum once did. One thing's for sure, the countdown to February 20th has begun. Whether Pi hits $314,159, $3.14, or lands somewhere in between, the next chapter of Pi Network's journey is about to unfold. And guess what? You, dear pioneer, are right at the center of it all. So buckle up, the ride is just getting started. And that's a wrap for today's video. We've covered everything you need to know about Pi Network's upcoming open mainnet launch and what it could mean for your Pi holdings. The big question remains, how much will Pi be worth? We want to hear from you. Drop your price prediction in the comment section below, and if you have any contributions or questions, feel free to share them as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest updates on Pi Network and the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.